So today we want to focus on figuring out the triple beam balance. Right here, so triple beam balance, we start out by making sure it's calibrated, so our line should be at that 0 spot. So you see, it's winding down there. Great. So we have that. Now we want to start weighing it out. Here I have some beans. For instance, this is what we're doing in our bean isotope lab. So I'm gonna put my beans here. You see here, I have it shifted up. This means that I need to shift my weight over. So here, we couldn't say it's in the hundreds, but we know it's not over 100 grams. But we'll do it in 10. So we see here, 10s, and it still needs more weight. When I put it here, still it's more. And when I put it there, we see it's too much. While yes, you could put it here to get it closer, we don't know exactly where the weight is located, so we're gonna make sure it's back in that notch. And here, I'm going to now move to my 1 spot. And I use just a most delicate touch to shift it over, because we don't want to accidentally have to backtrack. Here we go. We're waiting for it. I need to give a little bit more, it looks like. And there we go. I just need maybe one more. And here I have it balanced out. And I would say here, this is right on the 6 mark. So we have 6 grams here, and we have 20 grams here. So we add those together and we would get 26. So we take our mass, we record it as 26. Hope this helps.